welcome to Radio Waves by Todderbert. If you enjoy reviews, comparisons, band scans of new and classic portable radios, then make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm trying to say that real fast. In front of us, we have the Jameson JE-201. It's an AM FM portable radio that I got from Amazon for a total of $14.99, shipped to my door. I had been requested this brand to try, and here it is. Jameson Electronics. Built-in speaker, LED tuning, power indicators, okay, 2 AA batteries. On the back here, we had some information on the frequency for the frequency nuts. 510 to 1720, very interesting. Okay, removable hand strap. Somebody might like that. It removes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up, see what we get. Yeah, the reason why I didn't buy this product, for those who recommended it, because it reminds me of QFX and those companies that rip off designs. Yeah, that's the reason why I didn't get this. But we got it because I wanted to just showcase something different. So here it is, something different. Chuck the box. Okay, so put the radio aside. We got a little insert here. Looks like a manual. There it is, the model number, JE-201. Does that look like a radio you know? Anybody? 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 Let's see, installing the batteries, that might be difficult for some people. Operating the radio might be difficult, so you guys can read that if it helps you. To improve reception, okay, precautions, there's 6 of them, so read those, be careful. Try listening near a window. This is fun. 12-month replacement warranty, okay. Thank you. I think they want you to get 5 stars, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. We got a bubble wrapped radio, it looks like. Sweet. Oh, I get fingerprint right on it. I know it. Okay, there's the radio. Yeah, this looks really familiar. Yeah, can you guess? Let's go over it. So, dimensions: 4 3/4 inches across, 2.5 inches high, a depth of 1 5/8 of an inch. Sits like this, like a tabletop. Okay, let's go over, oh no, let's not go over features. Let's go over size comparison real quick. I have my CC Pocket. I had to reach for it. There it is, CC Pocket. And then for a little bigger demonstration, I have my recently reviewed Grundig Traveler 3. So that gives you a little idea of size for the radio. Okay, those out of the way. All right, so we got that out of the way. Let's look at features on this little guy. All right, so left-hand side, we got a volume wheel. Yeah. Headphone jack. Okay. Front, we have a speaker grill. Oh yeah, headphone jack. The headphones actually sound pretty good on here. They don't sound too bad. It's okay listening experience. The front here, we have this plastic speaker grill with a 2-inch speaker behind it. AM FM 2-band radio. They could have done without that. It looks pretty cheesy saying that. Okay, but yeah. Here we go. We got Jameson Electronics, AM FM. This look familiar again, guys? We got AM on the left side, FM on the right side. You can see the markings there, 17 and 5.1. Love it. 108 to 87. Okay. There's a tuning light that goes on here. It's red, and a power LED indicator that's red when the radio's on. Right-hand side with band select, off AM, FM. Again, sounds familiar to me. We have a tuning wheel. It's very easy to tune. It feels very smooth, so that's a good thing. On top here, we have an antenna. Our antenna pivots pretty good here. It goes almost all the way around. Look at that, it does. And it pivots backwards, so that's a nice antenna. And it extends out to 18 inches. Wow. Here we have the removable wrist strap. Sweet. Behind here is 2 AA batteries. I'm not going to open it up. It's very difficult to open. And it's not a captured door. It just comes right off. Here we have a vented case. Okay, so it gives you an idea on the bottom here. Probably has our frequencies again. Yay. Okay, so yeah, the reason why I was kind of like didn't want to do this review, number one, it reminds me of QFX, and everybody knows I don't like that brand very well. It's a Sony ripoff. Look how close they miniaturized it a bit. But this is the 36, the P36, and you know, you get what they were doing here, tuning, and volume control and headphone jack, volume control, headphone jack. Yeah, there's band select. You get it? You get what they were doing there? Yeah, it's a knockoff. All right, so With that said, how well does it perform? Well, let's talk about FM. Sensitivity is just okay. Selectivity is just okay. You know what that means? 2 stars. It gets 2 stars in FM. I walked around the neighborhood with this, spent about an hour, and I got maybe 3 dozen stations at the most. And the thing that's horrible about this is when I got those stations, they would just drift away. Like I would move the radio and gone, and then I tried to have to retune it in. This is a DSP receiver, so it's step tunes and everything, but it's horrible locking the stations in. So definitely not cool on FM, unless you want to listen to a station that's maybe within 10 miles of you. So that's it right there. So let's go ahead and fire it up now. I'll do Radio Todderbert. Get an audio check on this thing, so you can see what the audio sounds like. And let me get some volume going. Okay.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright, so you get an idea of the audio there. Not too bad, a little tinny. Let me just go ahead and unplug some stuff here, turn off my transmitter. So yeah, it's okay on that front. So let's go ahead and go to the AM band. Okay, during the day, the AM band was not great. I had crackling sound on my 720 station. You know, it's my closest one. DSP wouldn't hold the stations. I could move my radio around, and it would the DSP would unlock, or it would have to retune. It was just a big hassle. So yeah, wasn't fun daytime local listening. This is the first time at night, so we'll see what it sounds like at night. Let's go to the bottom of the band there. Okay, we're on AM. Okay.
We are inundated. That's one reason. Another reason is
waiting on an 0-1 from the lefty ball. Here it is. Swing it.
This administration.
The Dennis Prager Show. Weekdays at 11, right before Sean Hannity at 2 on AM 560. The Answer.
And safety system?
You would have chassis
seen in there as well prior to his most recent start. But if I'm taking a step...
Paid or line terminated.
Okay, I think that's 640 and 650 mixing there. Yeah, I did this all the time during the day too. Where we come in and out.
Net for over 2,000 new and used vehicles. That's the Ray and Ray. Slake and Antioch, the only dealers I recommend.
Everybody's in. The best place to spend your summer weekends is at Wrigley Field. Plan now and get tickets to weekend matches.
See, most of my radios, they don't break signals on strong stations like this.
Go visit Cubs.com and
But this thing will.
today. Brand new ball game here at Dodger Stadium.
Noon to 5. Get yours zeroed on leases on the hottest.
Garcia back to the warning track. Reaches up and makes the grab. A circus play by Avi Garcia. Good.
I think Zoomer Radio's trying.
At first, I didn't think he saw enough.
That might be it.
In many cases, we might do well to just...
A miscarriage of justice. Last year,
Morgan & Morgan, thepeople.com. Offices in Louisville.
Terry Minders here with Kentucky Lottery Scratch-Off.
Okay, that's WHAS.
Lots of colors, shapes, and sizes.
Available in the slot blue.
Orange, green, and purple in denominations of $1, $2, $5, $10, and $25. With more ways.
Elles sont toutes deux réalisatrices scénaristes de cette série, donc cette première
860,
série de fiction.
JBC Toronto.
Instagram, elle s'appelle 1306. Elle est fragmentée en 3 courtes séries dans la
ULS, your life, your tax.
06.
So it kind of covers, it kind of jumps over 870, 880, goes right to 890.
Lee Smith writing for Real Clear Investing.
So I'm gonna quit soon probably. It's just,
Guys are absolutely doing what MLS is doing, just really appealing to pub culture.
An individual or contractor, state sides. You call 811.
It's strikers called. It's
it's 1120 KMOX, St. Louis.
Martinez is starting to.
I'm sure very generous. They take care of us, and we don't necessarily need anything, so we just give this as our labor of love for leading the way. And
It's like it's trying to, I don't know what it's trying to do. It's trying to do gain control on distant stations, but then disappears, and yeah, it's just not a fun experience. That's gonna take it up to the top. You know, feels like a train wreck. Just can't stop watching. Yeah, you can tell right away this is not a fun radio at all. So just a waste of time here. But you know what? It for tuning the radio, not for showing you guys, because if I didn't show you this, you guys buy this radio and be like, man, I gotta send this damn thing back. You know, because it's not, it's junk. It's what it is. It's not implemented well at all. Yeah, I can get a distant station, but you know, by magic, it'll just pop in. So yeah, it's on one of those cheap DSP radios that that are trying to copy something else and are doing a horrible job. So let's go ahead, just turn that off. Let's do final thoughts on the Jameson JE-201. Is this a radio I would recommend? No. It gives the big thumbs down. Do not buy this radio for $15. Do not waste your $15. Spend it on something good. I don't know what these 36s are. I got mine for $20. I mean, go out and get yourself the Sony P36. I'll link it right down here in the description details. If you buy one, use my link. That'd be awesome. I'd get like 50 cents. It's a way of helping the channel out for educating you on these crummy Chinese radios. I mean, sorry guys, Jameson. I mean, I don't represent your company, but you know, if you make a better product, you get a better review. If you can make something like this, you're gonna do okay. But if you can't, you can't even, not even at $10 would I recommend this thing. Maybe at $5, maybe $5, but $15, you're just way in the stratosphere. So with that said, get the P36. End of story. I mean, that's what you should do. So that is it in a nutshell. There's nothing fantastic I can say about this radio at all, except this wrist strap can be removed. I'm not going to throw it. I'm going to put it back in its box, and it's going to get shipped back to Amazon. And I'm going to get my money back and put it on a better radio, maybe a nice Sangean. Yeah, I have a Sangean fix coming up. So, yeah. But yeah, just don't waste your money on this. Like I said, you can't tune it for anything. And when you do, you'll walk, it'll turn, and it'll just break signal. And even if you have it sitting there, all of a sudden, the station will just disappear on its own. So, yeah. Thumbs down on this. Don't buy it. So if you like the presentation of the Jameson, you like the information I provided, hit the like button because you like the information I provide. That is what it's about. It's all about the information and the joy of radio. I enjoy radio. I enjoy reviewing radios, and I like reviewing radios that work well. I just don't like reviewing radios that are duds. But I do remember now that it's a good thing for myself to do these once in a while, so you know what not to buy. And yeah, I got to remember to do more of these. Sometimes I get so fed up I don't want to review them because they're just junk, and I want to send them back as fast as I can to get my money back. So, but here you go. Jameson products, do not buy. They have another one that looks like the P50 Panasonic. I'm guessing it's the same story. I'm not going to buy that radio to review it. If you guys want to send it to me, I got it on my wish list. I'll review it if it gets sent to me and I don't have to pay for it. I'll definitely do it. But if I have to pay for it, I'm not buying it. Nope. No how. All right, guys. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy these review videos, giving you an inside idea, non-biased opinion on radios, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell icon, get notified. I put a video out every evening, yes. And then comment below about this Jameson P36 lookalike. Yeah, I think I know what your comments are going to be. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching as usual. We'll see you next episode. Take care and goodbye.